Hello everyone, welcome back to Genius Knowledge Point, your one place for practical programming solutions for computer and IT students. I am making this video to provide practical knowledge to all students so that you can develop your own programs which will be helpful for your studies as well as career. In this video we will perform practical number 8 of Python programming, which is according to case scheme of Diploma Computer and IT students, and the semester number is 4. The topic in this video is use built-in functions on list. So what are the built-in functions present in list? CMP, len, max, list, append, count, extend, insert, pop, remove. These are the built-in functions present on the list that we can perform directly, or we can directly call on the list object and we can perform these operations on the list. So directly moving toward the coding part. So the first question is, write a Python program to find common items from two lists. So in practical number 7, that is our previous video, we have already performed this question. So I will show you the code. So we have already created two lists there, and from these two lists we have already displayed the common items inside these two lists. So just refer that video and watch the question there. So directly moving toward the second question. So write a Python program to sort a list. So for that purpose we have to accept a list, we have to create a list first, then we have to use a sorting function which will be inbuilt function inside our list object. So directly moving toward the coding part. So initially I am creating one list, that is my list is equal to, I am adding some numbers inside that list. So 64, 34, 25, 12, 22, 11, 90. So these are the numbers initially accepted inside this list, and the name of the list is my list. So initially I am having these numbers inside my list, then I am printing the original list using print statement. So in that I am just putting a simple message original list, and after that I am attaching the list variable, so it will display the entire list in front of this message. Then after that I am using a sort function on my list object. So what I am doing here, my list dot sort. So automatically this function will sort the list in ascending order, and if you want in descending order, then you have to specify parameter here, that is reverse is equal to true. So in this question I am just using the sorting of ascending order, so that's why I am using directly sort function here. So automatically this function will sort the entire list in the ascending order, and that values will be shuffled using the ascending order method. So after that my list will be changed according to the sequence of ascending order. Then I am using again print statement. So print, then in that I am using sorted list message, and after that again attaching my list object. So automatically the sorted list will be displayed here. So this is how the coding part will be done, and we haven't used any logic here. We have directly used the inbuilt function on the list variable. So the sorted list will be displayed after this program. So saving the code, then to run this code I am selecting the entire code, copying the code, then moving to PyCharm, then creating a new file, then naming it as sort, pasting the code and running the code. So after running you can see the original list is printed, that is inside our program, though the exact list is printed as original list. Then after that the sorted list is printed, which is printed in the ascending order of original list. So you can see the numbers are sorted here according to ascending order, and this is how we have used the sort function and we have sorted list properly. So this is how this question is complete, and practical number 8 is also complete, which was just using inbuilt function of this list object or the inbuilt methods on list, and we have used the sort method for second question, and this practical is ended here. So that's it for today's practical. I hope you understand the program clearly. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such programming solutions, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. If you have any doubts or need solutions for other programs, drop a comment below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy coding.